Hi friends, welcome to the channel, The Nurse. Baba Farid University Health Science, Staff Nurse Document Verification, date rescheduled. So we can check the details here. Previously, the date given from 11th November, so now it is changed. The venue is Auditorium Hall, Guru Gobind Singh Medical College and Hospital, Faridkot. So on 16th onwards, it will start. Open merit list, that is 1 to 250 serial number candidates, rank list candidates have document verification on 16th. On 17th, 251 to 500 rank list candidates are having documents verification. On 18th, 501 to 702 number serial candidates. Instructions include the candidates are required to bring original documents comprising application fee, receipt, admit card cum roll number slip, photograph, experience, age proof, proof of passing Punjabi at matriculation level, academic certificates, caste certificate, category certificate, residence certificate along with the photocopy of all testimonials. No separate correspondence shall be made in this regard by the university. Personal appearance of candidates is mandatory during document verification. Counseling fee of rupees 1000 rupees 500 for SC candidates shall be charged from each candidate on the spot of counseling venue. Candidates must fulfill the eligibility criteria for the post mentioned above as per the terms and conditions of the post. In case of caste certificate or testimonial of applicant if found to be fake or forged at any stage of recruitment or issued by an incompetent authority, the eligibility or appointment would be cancelled with the immediate effect and legal action shall be taken against him. Appearance for document verification does not imply that candidate has fulfilled all criteria and he or she is eligible for the post. Eligibility of the candidates will be determined after thorough scrutiny of the application. If candidate is not found eligible by the document verification committee, his or her candidature shall be cancelled. Candidate will not be paid any TADA for attending the document verification. Keeping in view COVID-19 pandemic, following advisory is issued for compliance. Candidate alone shall attend the document verification. No other person should accompany the candidate. Wearing of face mask by all candidates is mandatory. Social distance, that is minimum 4 to 6 feet as per the guidelines of Government of India, must be maintained. Thermal screening of each candidate is mandatory. Candidates are allowed to carry their own drinking water. Candidates are required to bring their own hand sanitizer. Any candidates having any symptoms of COVID-19 or undergoing quarantine isolation period shall inform about their status at the email address, that is administration@bfuhs@gmail.com immediately. Candidates shall take all the preventive precautionary measures as advised by Government of India. So this is about the document verification. Thank you.